Hey y'all, welcome back to Vista Acres. I'm David. There's Maggie. There's Fuzzy. There's Lambo. And there's Taylor. No, that's Fuzzy. All right, y'all. We're gonna do some cleaning up today. We're gonna try to get a little bit of organization done. And I'm gonna have to do something with them 4x4s. They are warping. Welcome to the Vista Acres Homestead channel. Don't want that. Oh man, get those things set up to where they won't be warping. All right, Angie has moved it. I think I know what she did. She put it in this bag. But y'all, I want to show you. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you. This will be graphic. So if you don't want to see a rat, you probably don't want to watch this video part right here. You probably want to fast forward it. But Maggie, stop. Y'all, that is what we're dealing with. That ain't no mouse. That ain't no mouse, y'all. At all. Yeah. That's what killed 2 quail that size rat. I don't think. I don't think that one was one of them that killed the quail yesterday, but it's definitely the size that probably killed 2 of my quail. And I'm gonna tell you, y'all, we've tried everything. We have tried poisons. We have tried traps, and that's how we got that one, was a trap. But these things are terrible. And now I had a bug problem, and these birds was a natural solution to that problem. I'm hoping these cats will be the solution to my rat problem around my quail. I'm not concerned about down here as long as they're not bothering the birds. And if we harvest the eggs fast enough, then they don't get the eggs. But when they start killing the birds, that's time. That's serious time to have to do something. Definitely. I put the cats in here last night, 2 of them, and I'm gonna have to redo this bottom here. They pushed that up and got out. So I'm gonna put a 2x6 across through here. I'm either gonna, I don't know, I believe they can get this door as bad as it is. I don't think it'll keep them in there. So this right here is probably gonna have to be redone. But I can't keep them in, I know I can keep them in that part. So I'm gonna have to make the entrance to the back side, and then I can keep stuff up here that I don't want them to get into. So his thing has just gotten piled up, so we're gonna have to unpile it, and some of this stuff I'm gonna throw away. I don't know if I'll ever use that brooder again. I don't know. It's a good brooder. It does a good job. It's not bad at all, but them other ones take up a lot less room. And I kind of like them better. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to get this to where I can get it to where I can keep feed in here, and I can keep the cats in here. And like I say, they'll have a door right there to where they can go out there and kill rats. Give them complete access to killing all the rats. They don't have no mic on. So where they can kill all the rats they want to. Here I've already got this part out. It looks like it's gonna rain today, but I think they said it wasn't. It's just gonna look like it's gonna rain today. This big old bag of charcoal. This is a decent waterer here, Angie.
Okay guys, you know that I told you earlier that I had planted garlic that I had got from the grocery store, and it just came up beautifully. So I have some more that's sprouting here, some that hasn't sprouted, but I'm going to plant this today and keep y'all updated on how it does. So you can buy garlic from the grocery store and just plant it and see how it does. Like I said, I don't know the outcome of it when we dig it up. We'll probably dig it up in spring, some of it, and just whenever it gets ready. But yeah, I'm gonna go and plant this today, and I want to keep y'all updated so you can see that you don't have to buy from the farm and garden supplies if you don't want to, or you can't find them. That the thing I'm coming up against right now, I can't seem to find them. I wanted some of the elephant garlic. No one has it. I guess I've waited too late. But right now I'm just going to focus on getting some in the ground so I can have some garlic to cook with. And see, this is what I do. I just separate it like this. Leave most of the skin on that you can so it won't rot. And then just dig a sizable hole. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Yeah, just dig a sizable hole. And I'm going to plant this one that's already sprouted real good. Just put it in there, cover it up real good. And then just continue down through there to do that. So I'll go ahead and just set y'all up and let y'all watch me plant this garlic. I usually leave probably about 4 to 6 inches apart. Oh, I gotta be careful on this. I see some ants already hopping out of there. They like this mulch, and I have to really watch or I'll get bit. These fire ants, they're something else. They're about as bad as the rats. Well, in number, they're worse than the rats. At least we don't get bit by the rats. The poor little quail do, but we don't yet. We don't want that to happen. I put the end where you can see that the roots were growing at the bottom, and then of course it's top where they sprout out there. You can see that one's got a little nub. I put it pointed up. As far as the type of garlic this is, I really couldn't tell you because I don't know if the grocery stores identifies it. I didn't really look. I just grabbed some up because I needed it for a recipe. I was going to make some pickled quail eggs and use garlic, but I didn't get it done, and that's why it started sprouting. But I am eventually going to make some pickled quail eggs if they ever start laying good again. I sold the ones that I had planned to make them with. So it's crazy how things go here. You have months where you don't sell anything, and then you have months where everybody wants the same thing. We're usually never prepared. Oh, look at this one. It's really sprouted good. It's a little bit little, but it's okay. It'll come back out. And this one I tore off of one of the others. It's a sprout. I got the guineas over here. They're wanting fed. They always hang out with me when they want fed. So you probably hear them chirping in the background. Guineas are usually pretty good about finding their own food, but when it gets cool like this and all the bugs have left us, or not all the bugs, but most of the bugs have left us because they eat a lot of bugs, they tend to want to eat more. So I'm not going to plant that one because I'm not sure what's going on with that one. That one don't look real good. And see, the outer layer, I just throw it away, like I said, keep the little shells on there to keep them from rotting. This one may have 2 in there, but I'm not going to separate them because I feel like if I do, the shell it'll cause it to rot because there won't be any shell around both of them. So I just ruin both of them if I did that. So here again, I'm just gonna
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
If my hands were better, I would definitely buy a cow because I love cream. And I don't know, heavy whipping cream. I don't know if you guys have priced heavy whipping cream lately, but it's gone crazy. It's over double. And I went to get some the other day for my coffee. I love the Kroger's heavy whipping cream because it's thicker. And when I started buying it, it was like $2.79 for a bottle of 16, I think it was 16 ounce. Ouch, got an ant. See that ant, he bit my finger right there. They're so mean. But anyway, back to the heavy whipping cream. I had to buy the little ones because they didn't have the big ones. The little ones was $3.50, so I paid $7. It's the same size that I've been buying. And I really think that they do that, so you'll buy the smaller ones. I don't know, they may not even carry the large ones anymore. But if you buy 2 little ones, it's $7 for the heavy whipping, Kroger brand heavy whipping cream. I don't know about y'all, but I can't hardly afford that on my budget.
If I'll ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
All right, y'all. I'll keep you updated on how these do. All right, I showed you the other day where I had picked the beets and left them. I just left them out here. So what I'm doing now is just cleaning them, and I'm going to ferment these beets. Since I don't have many, there's no sense in canning them. I'm just going to ferment them, and we'll eat them with pinto beans and things like that. I really don't even know if I have enough to start ferment, because a lot of them, the plants were beautiful, like these right here, but look how little the beets are. It's like they never... See, that one's not very big, but look how big the plant is. So really, that's about the only harvest that I have right there on these beets, because I'm not going to fool with these little bitty ones. I just put them in my compost pile and go from there, because it's not worth it to me to get those little ones. They're not even a bite. But there they are. Alrighty, I'm out here going to pick the little pear tomatoes. Y'all can see we have plenty of them. I wasn't prepared, so this is going to be my basket for the day. But these little things have really just done their due. Done a very good do. They're not done yet, but when cold weather starts to set in, it'll probably get them. But at this time, I'm just going to enjoy what we have. And there we go, falling off. Hopefully, if we get some more rain, we may have a lot more of them. But right now, the plants, it is so dry here. We have not really got a good rain in months.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word.
Alrighty, so we got a pretty good little harvest there. There's probably more that I can pick, but I'm just gonna leave them and let them seed over. Next, I'm gonna pick these right here. These are my purple tomatillos. As I said before, we have never ate these tomatillos before.
Alright, y'all, we're Angie and I are attempting.
You gotta get that off?
No, I'm trying to figure out what boat it is. You can't get you.
Okay, yes. Gosh, it is gonna be hard to get to. Alright, Maggie? Maggie, is it gonna be hard to get to, girlfriend? Hey, baby.
That fine extension. Extension. I got one missing out of that box.
This is his serious face.
Alright, y'all, I don't know who engineered this, but they put this thing right where the boat is, right there. So what I'm gonna do is, I've got a socket on it, and I'm gonna put some vice grips around it and see. Yeah, we'll see if we can get it loose. Hey, go shut the door of the house there, girl. I mean, this is some really bad engineering. And then they got a wire right here that is in your dang way. Oh, and you can't get it there either. I must got it loose because it's alright. Let's see if it's loose, finger loose. I mean, I got it broke loose anyway. Oh, yeah, that's ridiculous. So I put the socket on it. Can't get your fingers on it hardly. No, it's not loose. I'm turning it with my hands. That is definitely a bad design. It's not a good design at all. I can tell you one thing, if Angie and I was ever replace this thing, I wouldn't even go to the Kawasaki place. Wouldn't even be interested. There's so many things about this thing I don't like. I mean, it's not even funny. This right here is something, there ain't no telling what they charge you to fix. All the places on this thing that you could have put this, they stick it right there. And they put, I guarantee you what they do, they put this whole box assembly together and then slide it in and bolt it in. And that's probably the easier way of getting this off, is taking that whole, yeah, there's one in that box right there, Angie. That's probably the easier way of doing it, but I don't know how to. No, that's welded in there. I don't know how to do that. That is not working at all. Huh? I mean, this thing here, it's welded in, so you can't remove this bar. And that bolt, that nut is dead centered with that bar. I don't even know if you can get a swivel on that or not. I mean, it is such a bad place. Let's say, I don't even know if you could get a swivel on it or not. Let me tell you, it's in a pretty bad location right there. I ain't sure it's the right size socket on it. You can't really get to it. Let's forget the sock. Let's just see if we get the pliers on it. Alright, y'all, we got it off. That was a lot harder than it needed to be. Alright, next thing I want to do before I put the new one on is disconnect this battery. Here's the blue one. Okay. Looks like a blue and black one right there. Blue and black one right there. There's the black one. Here, Maggie. Here, Maggie. Don't matter what I'm doing, Maggie. Right there with me. Alright. We got everything out of there. We've thrown away a pretty good bit of stuff. And we're in the process of cleaning it now. And now I'm gonna have to fix this door. That's what I'm working on right now, is fixing this door. The cats escaped out of there last night. That was a weak point. So I'm gonna try to get it fixed to where they can't do that again. And somehow or other, What I'm gonna do is take a tube, I got a 2x6 down, I'm gonna screw it into that. And hopefully that'll fix it. So first thing I gotta do is measure it. Let me get that done. All right, y'all, we're gonna try to button this up. Maggie and I. Oh, Maggie. Knock it loose and climb. What they did, they pulled under here and pulled that up and got out. I don't believe they'll do that this time. I believe we got that fixed. Now I tell you what, these are really, look like a really good deal here. I bought this years ago. They're cheap. They're not hardened, and they'll just not last, but it worked in a little quick. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do here in the cat house / quail house is we've got to we're gonna put a door, and I think we're gonna put it in right here going in. I got screws here and here. So that should work. What I'm trying to do by opening this up is to give the cats complete coverage of both sides of this building.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, this morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that is
Wonder why Maggie got quiet. What'd you do, Maggie?
Did you lock yourself in?
Open the door, Maggie. You can open it.
Open it.
Oh, my girl.
You're smarter than that. You just want somebody to take care of you, don't you?
Yeah, about what she wanted. Alright, where's my safety glasses? I brought a pair with me.
What happened?
This is the one I took out of there. Did you see where it went?
No, that was a nail that fell right there. Are you sure you took it out in here?
Oh, I did.
Maggie right at our feet. That girl.
She's a good girl.
She is a good girl.
Alright, y'all. We're getting it there. What a difference. Got it cleaned up. The cat house is coming on along. We just gotta get the cats in here. Right, Angie? Yeah, Maggie likes it. She says it's a lot better. Smells better in here. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So how are they liking it? I think they like their new home. I do. I believe they like their new home. Hopefully they will. And I'll still let them out during the day, but yeah. And we're gonna put the feed over here. Cause they guard to keep the rats out of the feed. So, like I said, I'm hoping they'll like their home. They won't want out. Wow, boy, I tell you what, y'all, it's been a long day, but Angie and I made some progress today. We got it all down to this pile here, and so that's a good deal. We got that door fixed to where the cats can't get out there, hopefully tonight. Look at old Lambo, she's just a chilling. She's just a chilling. We did get it really cleaned up in here. And they're chilling. I don't know where Fuzzy went. Fuzzy was roaming around somewhere. We can tell Taylor there, he's a chilling. We got this worked out. I got to run water to that at some point, but we're going to do away with all these old jugs we keep, and this is going to be the water for the quail. Yeah, and I think that probably ain't going to hold that up. That's probably going to be an issue. Okay. So where the fuzz is at. What's he doing? I know he's got to be in there. He ain't got out yet. Well, where is Fuzzy? He went up there, has he? Nope. Good question. Where's Fuzzy? There he is. There's Fuzzy. Alright, Fuzzy, you pile up in your bed there and go to sleep. Hopefully tonight hopefully tonight they will kill some rats, or at least keep rats from coming out. Eventually, probably this week, we're gonna get the feed moved up there. But hey, y'all, we appreciate you hanging in with us. We enjoyed having you, and hope everybody has a rest of a good week, as this will be a Thursday video. And again, thank you for watching.